Hello 7th class student, this is the video of civics.
लेसन 2 रोल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इन हेल्थ। इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे हेल्थ की मीनिंग्स को और उससे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स को और गवर्नमेंट का क्या रोल है हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज में। नाउ योर चैप्टर इज स्टार्ट। इन अ डेमोक्रेसी पीपल एक्सपेक्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू वर्क फॉर देयर वेलफेयर। These could be through the provisions of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of road, electricity, etc. डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में पीपल एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि गवर्नमेंट उन्हें एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, हाउसिंग, रोड एक्सेट्रा की फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करवाए। व्हाट इज हेल्थ? हेल्थ मीन्स आर एबिलिटी to remain free of illness and injuries. But health is not only about diseases. Apart from diseases, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. For example, clean drink water, pollution-free environment, adequate foods, and mental strain also affect the body health.
Healthcare in India. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world. Approximately 15,000 doctors qualifies every year, but most doctors settle in urban areas. Medical tourists. Foreigners who come to this country especially for medical treatment. India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world and is also a large exporter of medicines. Communicable diseases. These are diseases that are spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, food, air, and etc. We require proper healthcare facilities like health centers, hospitals, laboratories, ambulance, blood banks, etc. to prevent and treat illnesses. To run these kinds of facilities, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals. We need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patient. There are a great numbers of doctors, clinics, and hospitals in India, but they cannot provide healthcare services to everyone. हमारी कंट्री में मनी है, नॉलेज है एंड एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्टर भी हैं, बट फिर भी रूरल एरियाज़ के पीपल को नेसेसरी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ भी नहीं मिल पाती है। स्टोरी ऑफ द हाकिम शेख। हाकिम शेख वॉज अ मेंबर ऑफ द पश्चिम बंगा खेत मजदूर समिति इन वेस्ट बंगाल। Hakim Sheikh became an accident in one evening. He was taken to government hospital, but doctor refused to admit him because they did not have a spare bed. Another hospital did not have the facilities. In this way, he spent 14 hours in a critical condition and he taken to 8 different government hospital, but none of them admitted him. Finally, he was admitted in a private hospital. He spent a lot of money of his treatment. Angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all the hospitals that refused to admit him, Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court. Second story. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Ranjan comes from high class family and Aman comes from poor family. Both have viral fever. Ranjan and his parents go to private hospital. Aman and his parents go to government hospital for treatment. Both are sharing their experiences. Ranjan told Aman that my dad had to pay 500 rupee at the reception counter. That hospital was clean and shiny. Doctor looked through them and said everything was fine and he prescribed lots of medicine and rest. Then Aman told Ranjan, we went to big government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue. People were crowding around the testing room too. After an examined, doctor gave me medicines. My hospital was not good as your hospital, and my treatment did not cost much. Healthcare facilities divided into two categories: public health services and private health services. Public health services. Public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the governments. They cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of problems. Public health services can be work on different levels. Health centers are usually situated in a village. There is a nurse and a village health worker in this center. Primary health centers. Primary health centers cover many villages in a rural areas. District hospitals are situated in the small town. City hospital. These hospitals are found in large cities. Some cities have more than one hospital. The sources need to run these surveys are obtained from the money that the public pay to the government as taxes. पब्लिक हेल्थ सर्विसेज गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा रन होती है एंड पब्लिक जो टैक्स पे करती है उसका यूज़ इन हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज में किया जाता है. Private health facilities. Many doctors run their own private clinics and provide specialized services. Many private laboratories do tests and other special facilities such as X-ray and ultrasound. The private health facilities are not controlled by the government. They are owned and individual. प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में आप जो भी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ यूज़ करते हैं उसके लिए लॉट्स ऑफ मनी पे करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सर्विस. Today, large companies that run hospitals and someone engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Healthcare and equality. It is a very important to know if educates healthcare in available to all the people. In India, private services are increasing but public services are not increasing. Only 20% of the population in India can afford treatment in private hospitals. Undernourishment is another reason for poor health in India. इंडिया में सभी लोगों के लिए प्रॉपर हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज नहीं है. प्राइवेट सर्विसेज इंक्रीज़ हो रही हैं बट पब्लिक सर्विसेज इंक्रीज़ नहीं हो रही हैं और जो हैं उसमें फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं हैं. केवल 20% पॉपुलेशन को ही प्राइवेट हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड होती हैं क्योंकि वह बहुत महंगी हैं. मैनी ट्राइबल एरियाज़ में हेल्थ सेंटर्स हैं बट दे डू नॉट रन प्रॉपरली. सो गवर्नमेंट शुड इम्प्रूव इन दीज हेल्थ सेंटर्स. गुड हेल्दी फूड की इम्पोर्टेंस के लिए पुअर पीपल में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जानी चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट को क्वालिटी हेल्थ केयर सर्विस सभी को प्रोवाइड करानी चाहिए, स्पेशली पुअर एंड डिसएडवांटेज पीपल को. गवर्नमेंट को लोगों की बेसिक नीड्स एंड सोशल कंडीशन में इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहिए. पब्लिक हेल्थ सर्विसेज में इम्प्रूवमेंट करके लोगों की हेल्थ सिचुएशन को इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड बाय एग्जाम्पल. In 1996, Kerala government decided to give 40% of its income to पंचायत. केरला गवर्नमेंट की इस स्टेप के कारण पीपल की बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ लाइक क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स में इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ एंड स्टेटस ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड. Costa Rica is a country which is situated in South America. It is considered one of the healthiest countries of the world. रीका की गवर्नमेंट ने फ्यू इयर्स बैक डिसाइड किया कि जो भी मनी सेव होगी मिलिट्री खर्च से उसे बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करवाई जाएगी लाइक एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ सर्विसेज. नाउ योर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट.